Earth observation is a discipline that allows us to improve the knowledge of our planet for the protection of its environment and its inhabitants. The Institute for Electromagnetic Sensing of the Environment of the Italian National Research Council, with offices in Naples, Milan and Bari, is a pole of recognized international excellence in the field of Earth observation.
Artificial satellites are essential instruments for Earth observation. Orbiting the planet at about 800 kilometers of altitude, satellites continuously provide us with a huge amount of data. For example, the European Sentinel-1 constellation allows us to observe the same scene on the ground every 6 days. Sentinel-1 satellites are equipped with very sophisticated radar sensors, called SAR, which allow them to look through the clouds and photograph the Earth's surface both day and night.
Once acquired, the SAR data must then be processed and converted into useful information for scientists, decision-makers, civil protection, and, finally, citizens. A cutting-edge technique for SAR data processing is known as differential SAR interferometry, DInSAR. Taking advantage of 2 or more consecutive acquisitions, with DInSAR it is possible to measure the ground deformation with millimeter accuracy.
The fields of application of DInSAR are innumerable. It is possible to measure the ground displacement following an earthquake, as in the case of the Amatrice earthquake of the 24th of August 2016, in which the ground has lowered by about 20 centimeters. It is also possible to monitor the deformations of volcanic areas, such as the Campi Flegrei, which have been currently in a phase of slow uplift for several years. Or, you can analyze the movements of the slopes of Stromboli, which was the scene of a major eruption in the summer of 2019. Interesting results can also be obtained in urban areas. For example, the deformations detected in the city of Rome show the subsidence, that is the ground lowering, in the areas along the Tiber River. These subsidences may have important repercussions on the structural stability of buildings. In addition to buildings, you can observe the movements of infrastructures, such as viaducts and motorway bridges, or railways. Finally, the knowledge of ground displacement can also be useful for the safeguarding of the national cultural and artistic heritage.
IREA CNR works closely with the National Department of Civil Protection, the Ministry of Economic Development, and other major national research institutions, to provide updated measurements of ground deformations throughout the Italian territory.